Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Western Coast, Konkan, Kannada and Malabar. Western Coast, Konkan, Kannada and Malabar. The western coastal plains form a long and relatively narrow strip between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats along the western coast of India. They extend from the coastal region of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south, while the peninsular western coast is mainly divided into the Konkan, Kannada and Malabar coasts. Since the Western Ghats lie relatively close to the sea, the western coastal plains are generally narrower than the eastern coastal plains. Their width varies considerably, becoming only about 10 to 20 kilometers at some places and considerably wider in others. The western coast has developed through the combined action of marine processes, river deposition and coastal geomorphic processes. The western coast is generally regarded as a submerged coast, which has favored the formation of several natural harbors and estuaries. Most rivers flowing from the Western Ghats towards the Arabian Sea are short, swift-flowing and have steep gradients. Because of their short courses, these rivers generally do not form large deltas. Estuaries are more common at their mouths. Konkan Coast. The Konkan Coast forms the northern section of the western coastal plains. It generally extends along the Maharashtra coast towards Goa. Mumbai, Ratnagiri and Goa are important locations associated with this broader coastal region. The Konkan Coast is narrow, highly dissected and rocky at many places. Because hills in the Western Ghats lie close to the sea, extensive level plains are relatively limited. Creeks, estuaries and small coastal valleys are characteristic features of this coast. The coastal configuration and submerged nature of the coast have contributed significantly to the development of the natural harbour around Mumbai. Heavy monsoon rainfall and maritime influence create humid conditions throughout the Konkan region. Rice, coconut, arecanut and mango are important agricultural and horticultural products. Ratnagiri and adjoining parts of the Konkan are particularly famous for Alfonso mangoes. Fishing and marine resources form an important source of livelihood for the coastal population. Kannada Coast. The coastal region extending southward from Goa along Karnataka is known as the Kannada or Karnataka coast. It is also commonly known as the Kannada coast. This coast is relatively narrow because it lies between the Arabian Sea and the nearby Western Ghats. At many places, the Western Ghats approach close to the coast, resulting in the development of short and swift-flowing rivers. The Shravati, Kali and Netravati are among the important west-flowing rivers associated with this coastal region. River estuaries and coastal inlets provide favorable conditions for local ports and fishing activities. New Mangalore is the major port of this coastal region and plays an important role in Karnataka's maritime trade. Heavy rainfall supports dense vegetation and humid tropical conditions. Rice, coconut, arecanut and spices are important agricultural products of the region. Marine fishing, port-based trade and tourism are important components of the economy of the Kannada coast. Malabar Coast. The Malabar coast forms the southern section of the western coastal plains and extends mainly along the coast of Kerala. At many places, it is broader and more level than the Konkan and Kannada coasts. The most distinctive feature of the Malabar coast is its well-developed system of lagoons and backwaters. These coastal lagoons and backwaters are locally known as Kayals in Kerala. Vembanad Lake is one of the most important lagoon and backwater systems of this coastal region. Ashtamudi is another important backwater lake of the Malabar coast. The backwaters form an interconnected network of water channels running almost parallel to the coastline and are linked at many places with rivers and canals. They are used for local transportation, fishing, tourism and inland navigation. Sandbars and coastal barriers created by marine deposition partially separate many backwaters from the open sea. The Malabar coast experiences heavy rainfall and humid tropical climatic conditions. Coconut is one of its most characteristic crops, while rice, spices and various plantation crops are also important. In the Kuttanad region of Kerala, agriculture is practiced on some lands lying below sea level, making it a distinctive example of coastal agriculture. The natural harbour of Kochi enhances the maritime and commercial importance of the Malabar coast. Fishing, coconut-based activities, spice trade, ports, tourism and backwater transportation are major components of the regional economy. The Konkan, Kannada and Malabar coasts constitute the three major regional divisions of the peninsular western coastal plains. The Konkan is particularly known for its rocky and dissected coastline, the Kannada coast for its narrow coastal strip and swift west-flowing rivers, and the Malabar coast for its extensive backwaters, lagoons and relatively broader coastal plains. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.